welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to airdrop to MacBook Pro. Airdrop is a handy feature on Apple devices that allows you to wirelessly share files between them. So here's how you can easily send a file to your MacBook Pro via airdrop. So the first thing to do before you begin is to make sure that both of the devices is within Bluetooth range, usually around 3 feet. Now, go to your MacBook Pro and open up the Finder application. Click on the airdrop icon located on the left-hand side menu. Your MacBook Pro will now be discoverable by other airdrop devices. Choose who can see your MacBook Pro by clicking on this Allow me to be discoverable by option and select either contacts only or everyone. Now, go to your other device, such as your iPhone or iPad, and go ahead and select the file you'd like to share via airdrop. I'm just gonna select this photo over here. Once you come across the preview of the file or the photo you are trying to send, click on the share button at the bottom left corner. Now select airdrop from the menu. Now under my devices, select your MacBook Pro and you will then be able to send a file on MacBook Pro via airdrop. Now go to the downloads icon at the bottom and you will be able to receive the image on your MacBook Pro just like that. That was how you can easily share a file on MacBook Pro via airdrop. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.